fucking hot.
Hey, how's it going? Not bad. I almost forgot my grinders in case we need them. I hope we don't need them, but in case we do. So today we're going to be working on my aunt's car. She needs a little bit of work done. She's got an exhaust leak in there and she needs an oil change, as well as the other car needs an oil change, so I told them I could do it today. Hence the reason why I'm loading up all my mechanic stuff into my truck. It's a quick jack too.
Oh yeah, that's what we like to hear.
That's good.
That's fucking hot. Fuck's sakes.
You're gonna like hold on to anything. They're so like rusty.
Test number 1. Wait, it's on?